Let's start by making a slip knot. Turn over and pull through the loop on the hook. This is our first chain, and in total I am going to make 39 chains. If you want to increase the size of the bag, you can add more chains, but remember it should be an odd number. So our chain 39 is ready. So I am going to chain 1 and make single crochet in every chain. Insert the hook in the first chain from the hook, pull up a loop and pull through both the loops. This is our first single crochet. In total we have to make 39 single crochet. I took 2 threads of the yarn as I did not have the recommended hook size. So our first row is complete. Now chain 1. And turn your work and do a single crochet in the first V. We did chain 1 to increase the height. We have to take the front and back loop both, so you will find a V on your hook. We have to insert the hook in the V and pull up a loop and then pull through both the loops. You have to do it till the end, and in end you will get 39 single crochet. Like this you will have to make 12 rows in total. And this is the base of our bag, and now we'll have to slip stitch in the last stitch. Now we will make the body of the bag. After slip stitch, make a chain 4. After this we'll make a double crochet in the next space. Follow the video for more precision. After double crochet, make a chain 1 and skip 1 space and make a double crochet in the next space, that is turn over. Insert the hook in the space and pull up a loop. Pull the yarn through both the loops and then the next 2 loops. So this is the double crochet. And repeat this. Chain 1, skip 1 space and make a double crochet until you reach the last stitch of the base. After the last double crochet, make chain 1 and make a double crochet in the last stitch. After that, make chain 2 and make a double crochet in the same space. After double crochet, make a chain 1 and it's a corner. After chain 1, skip a stitch and make a double crochet in the next stitch. You will have to repeat it till the end. Repeat it till you reach where the tail is left. Chain 1 and skip, then make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same space, and it's a corner. After the corner, make a chain 1 and skip a stitch, make a double crochet in the next stitch and repeat it until you reach the last stitch of this line. But you'll have to weave the yarn along these row so that you'll not have to weave it in the end. After chain 1, make a double crochet in the last stitch and then chain 2 and another double crochet in the same space, and it's the next corner. After the double crochet, make a chain 1, skip a stitch and make a double crochet. Repeat this until you reach the next corner of the bag. After chain, now make a double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and then slip stitch into the third chain. Count the chain and then slip stitch in the third chain, so it's the last corner. Now we are going to increase the body of this bag. Chain 4 and make a double crochet in the next space. This is row 2. Chain 1 and make a double crochet in the next space, as we are going to increase the body of the bag. After this, make chain 1, mark the first stitch of the second row, that is chain 4, which is counted as a double crochet. Now after chain 1, make a double crochet in the next space after skipping one stitch, and you have to repeat until you reach the next corner. After chain 1, make a double crochet in the space, then chain 1 and make double crochet in the next space without skipping any stitch, as we have increased the body of the bag. Now we'll make a puff stitch in the next space, that is turn over, insert the hook in the space, pull up a loop, pull it a little bit longer, turn over and insert the hook again in the space, pull up a loop a bit longer and pull the yarn through all the loops. This is our first puff stitch. Chain 2 and make a second puff stitch in the same space. Turn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull it a bit longer, turn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull it a bit longer and pull through all the loops. Chain 1. So it's our first corner. After chain 1, make a double crochet in the next space and our corner is ready. After double crochet, make chain 1, skip a stitch and make a double crochet in the next space. You'll have to make a double crochet above the double crochet of first row, or you can just skip a space and then make a double crochet. Either way you'll get the same result. You have to repeat until you reach the next end. Now we are going to mark where we'll have to make a corner, and till the stitch marker you'll have to make chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 DC. After we are completed with this, now don't skip a stitch and make a double crochet in the next space. Then chain 1 and make a puff stitch in the next space. For puff stitch, insert the hook, pull up a loop. Again turn over, insert the hook, pull up a second loop and pull through all the loops. After puff stitch, now make chain 2 and make another puff stitch in the same space. Now chain 1 and make a double crochet in the next space, and your next corner is ready. After chain 1, make the next double crochet in the next stitch without skipping any stitch. After this, make chain 1, skip a stitch and make a double crochet in the next stitch and repeat it till you reach the next end of the base. Mark the corner in case if you are confused where to make the increased stitches. Now after chain 1, make a double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 1, and make a double crochet in the same space to increase the body of the bag, and then chain 1, now make a puff stitch in the next space, then chain 2 and make another puff stitch in the same space. After second puff stitch, make a chain 1 and a double crochet in the next stitch, Now chain 1 and make a double crochet in the same space. And chain 1. Then make a double crochet in the next stitch. Then skip a stitch, make a double crochet and chain 1. Then skip a stitch, and you'll have to repeat until you reach where the stitch marker is. Now insert the hook and make a double crochet, then chain 1, and make another double crochet in the same space. Chain 1 and make a puff stitch in the next space, that is the corner space. You can see a V stitch forming, then you'll have to make a puff stitch there, then chain 2 and make another puff stitch in the same space. After the second puff stitch, make chain 1 and slip stitch in the third chain. Now your bag will start taking its shape. For row 3, make chain 4, which will count it as a double crochet. Then make a double crochet in the next space. Chain 1 and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 and then skip a stitch, make a double crochet in the next stitch. And if you are confused what is happening, so please follow the video carefully, and if you need, you can just reverse the video and look at it again. Remove the stitch marker and make a double crochet in the next space, then chain 1 and make a double crochet in the next stitch without skipping any stitch. Then chain 1 and make a puff stitch in the next space, this corner space where already puff stitches are made. Chain 2 and then make another puff stitch in the same space, then chain 1. Make double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 1, skip a stitch and make a double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 1, skip a stitch and make a double crochet in the next stitch. You will have to repeat until you reach the another space of the puff stitch. Mark the end where you will have to make the stitches, then continue making which I have told you. Now after removing the stitch marker, make a double crochet in the space, chain 1 and make a double crochet in the next stitch without skipping any stitch. Then make a puff stitch in the space of puff stitch of second row, chain 2 and make another puff stitch in the same space, then chain 1, after chain 1 make a double crochet in the next stitch, and I have used a old yarn by reviving it so it's less stretchy. Try to find a yarn which is less stretchy. Then chain 1 and make a double crochet in the next space and continue doing it till you reach the next corner. Mark the next corner, that is double crochet in the same space. Then after chain 1 make a double crochet in the next space, then chain 1 and make a double crochet in the next stitch. After that make a puff stitch and chain 2, make another puff stitch in the same space, then chain 1. Now make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip a stitch, make a double crochet and repeat. Mark the another corner with the stitch marker. If you don't have any stitch marker, so you can use any bobby pin or safety pin just like me. Then after making a double crochet in this next space, now make a double crochet in the next stitch and then chain 1 and make a puff stitch in the next space, which is the puff stitch space of the second row. This way you'll get a more U-shaped bag. Chain 2, make another puff stitch, so you'll see your bag is taking its shape. After puff stitch make a chain 1 and then slip stitch in the third chain of the chain 4, and it's your last corner. Then chain 4 for round 4. So this is how your bag is gonna look. You can use either side, whichever you like, the correct side or the. Then make a chain 4 and regard it as a double crochet. Then make a double crochet in the next stitch. Now make a double crochet in this space or stitch, whatever you want to call it, and in this will not increase any stitch, so it's gonna be as it is and all the rows above it are being same as it. Make a double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch and make another double crochet, make chain 1 and then skip a stitch and repeat until you reach the puff stitch area, and that's your corner where you have to make a puff stitch. Make a double crochet, chain 1 and make a puff stitch After that, make 2 chain and another puff stitch, then make chain 1 and then make double crochet in the next space, then skip a stitch, make double crochet in the next space, chain 1, and you'll have to repeat this as you have done in the third row. It's just that you'll not have to increase the stitch or make double crochet in the same space, and I'll meet you at the end of the 12th row. So the body of my bag is complete, and as you can see, I have made in total 12 rows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now we'll have to make the opening of the bag smaller, and we'll do it by making decrease in certain places. You'll have to mark between the first and second double crochet from the puff stitch, and in total you'll have 8 stitch marker, and you'll have to make decrease in these spaces for the 13th row and same for the 14th row. The first and the second double crochet from the puff stitch from either side of the puff stitch. And if you are having any confusion regarding this, so you will have to follow the video carefully for precision and to avoid confusion. I don't have any stitch markers, so I'm using safety pin, bobby pins, and of course bun pins. And in case you don't have, so you can use them also. Now for the 13th row, after slip stitching in the third chain, I'm going to make chain 2, then double crochet in the next double crochet, which is of row 12. Follow as per the video. Remove the stitch marker and then make a double crochet in the next space after skipping a space. After double crochet, make chain 1. Mark your first stitch if you want to mark to remove any confusion. Then make a double crochet in the next stitch after skipping a stitch. Then chain 1, skip a stitch, make a double crochet. You will have to repeat until you reach the next stitch marker. I have reached the next stitch marker. I'm going to remove it and make a decrease, so follow me. First, turn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, turn over, pull through first 2 loop, and again turn over, insert the hook in the next stitch after skipping 1 stitch, then pull through 2 loop and pull through 3 loops. So this is our first decrease. Then make a puff stitch, then chain 2 and make another puff stitch, then chain 1. Then you will have to make another decrease. Now let's make a decrease. Turn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loop, then remove the stitch marker, turn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loop, then pull through last 3 loops. So it is a decrease, chain 1, then make double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch, make another double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch. You'll have to repeat it until you reach the next stitch marker. I'm showing you whole 13th row to avoid any mistake and confusion. Now insert the hook in the stitch and pull up a loop, pull through first loop, then turn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop and then pull through last 3 loops. So this is our another decrease, then chain 1 and make a puff stitch. By mistake I did 2 chains, so avoid doing it. Then make a puff stitch, then 2 chain, then another puff stitch, then chain 1 and then 1 decrease on the next stitch marker, and then chain 1, skip a stitch, make a double crochet, then chain 1, skip a stitch, make a double crochet and repeat until you reach the next stitch marker. After reaching the first stitch of row 13, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch in the second chain of chain 3, pull up a loop. It's too difficult, and please make sure you do not make your stitches too tight, just like I did. Learn from my mistakes. Then we'll start chain 4 and make row 14th and mark the places where you have made a decrease, and you have to mark between a decrease and a double crochet from the puff stitch, and you'll have to make another decrease to make the opening of the bag smaller and look it more presentable. Mark your first stitch of row 14 and please make sure to watch the video carefully if you want no confusion in your work. And I'll just show you after completing this. So now I'm going to just cut the yarn as it is completed, and you can also do with the same color of yarn, but I'm running out of this yarn, so I'm using a pink color yarn to make it look better and it will look cute in contrast. And after cutting the yarn, make the slip knot a little bit tighter and insert the next color yarn, and I'm also doubling it as my hook size is little bit bigger than the yarn. And now make a single crochet you'll have to make single crochet in all the stitches. You don't have to skip any stitch, and this is our row 15 and 16. You'll have to continue it till row 16. Just insert the hook in the stitch, pull up a loop and turn over, pull through both the loops, and make sure to weave the yarn along these stitches so you don't have to weave it in the end. It will be easier for you to weave it this way. Insert the hook in the stitch, pull up a loop, then pull the loop through both the stitches, and this is your single crochet. You'll have to make 2 rows of it, and when you make the 16th row, first make chain 1 and then continue making single crochet, as it will provide the height to the next row. Now I will meet you at the end. The body of the bag is ready. Now we'll have to cut the yarn and weave it, as we have to secure the bag. Now it's time for making straps. I found straps too hard to make, so I'm making it my way. It is little bit easier than the way other do it. First, leave around 2 or 3 meters of yarn from the tail side, make a slip knot in between, and then tighten your knot, and the working yarn should be towards your left hand and the tail towards your right hand. First, wrap the tail around your hook, then turn over, pull through the both loop. Again, wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through the both loop. Wrap the yarn around your hook, then pull through the both loop. So we'll have to make this. It is quite sturdy and easy to make, other than the straps we found online, so I don't find that easy and I'm so lazy. After reaching your desired length, make single crochet from one side and weave the remaining tail along it, so you'll not have to weave it at the end. Just insert the hook in the stitch, pull up a yarn, turn over and pull through both the yarn. So this is a single crochet you'll have to make, and make till you reach the end of this strap, and it's quite easy and sturdy. I think you'll find it easy like me if you are lazy. So my straps are done. Now we'll have to insert it in the bag. Follow the process. First, insert the yarn in the needle and then pull through the puff stitch. And this is the remaining tail of the yarn. Then insert it from any space which is comfortable for you. I have done it by counting. You can do it too. And please remember, the strap should be in same direction. It should not be spiraled. If it is, then you will have to just adjust in the same direction. And please follow the video if you are getting confused. I am not able to explain how to do it, as I have done it around my measurements of the bag. You can do it too. The process is same, but the only difference will be your measurements. After reaching the very end, now you'd have to just make it in one direction. Now join the both ends of the strap and make it a bit sturdy so it will not fall out. I'm just following some steps. You can follow it too. Make it pass through some stitches from the both strap ends and then weave it along the straps, the remaining portion of the yarn. So the bag is ready for you to use, but I'm just gonna attach some attachments to make it a little bit more beautiful. for beachy vibes. I have made similar version in black color. You can just check it out.